Take a ride in the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.